Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can fix Instagram not working. So let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. Instagram may stop working due to various reasons. Do not worry, I got your back. Today I will show you some tricks that can fix your Instagram issue. First tip is to restart your phone. Just click or tap the home button of your phone for some time. Once you see the restart option, tap on it and see if that fixes the issue. The second tip is to log out of your account and log in again. For that, open the Instagram account. Then tap on profile icon. Then tap on three lines icon. Next tap on settings and privacy. After that scroll down and find logout. Tap on logout. Now that you have logged out of your Instagram account, try logging in again and see if that helps. Another tip is to clear cache. Clearing cache will remove all the data those were causing troubles and usually fixes the troubles with almost every app. Clearing cache is easy and can be done in some simple steps. To clear cache, firstly open Instagram app, then tap on profile icon, then tap on three lines icon. After that, tap on settings and privacy. Next, tap on account center. Next, tap on your information and permissions. We can also clear cache by clearing search history. So tap on search history. Then tap on clear all searches. Then choose a time frame to clear all of your searches. And finally, tap on clear all searches. Alternatively, you can also clear the cache from devices setting. To do that, open settings on your phone and scroll until you see apps. Now tap on manage apps. Then scroll until you find Instagram. Tap on Instagram. Then tap on clear data. After that, tap on clear cache. Tap on OK. So this is how you can clear cache. If this doesn't help either, try to restart your router or consult your ISP server because sometimes it's issue on the end too. You can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. If the previous tips come of no help, follow these steps. Go to your phone or tablet settings and tap apps. Then tap on manage apps. After that, find Instagram. Then tap on it. Then tap on uninstall. After that, tap on OK. This removes Instagram app from your device. To reinstall it, go to Google Play Store. Reinstall Instagram. And then log in with your username and password. Sometimes Instagram app may be down too. In that case, the problem is on Instagram's end. You can do nothing except to sit and wait. To see if Instagram is down, go to Google and type downdetector.com. Tap on search and type is Instagram down? If it says yes, wait till Instagram fixes the issue. You can also reach out to Instagram's help center and ask for help. To do that, open Instagram app, then tap on profile icon, then tap on three lines icon, then tap on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and find help. Tap on help. Next, tap on privacy and security help. After that, select whatever issue you are facing and let Instagram help you. If everything fails, I am afraid you will need a tech support, but as far as my experience, these tips should help you. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.